Welcome to the tutorial video for GenFarmer, the #1 software for managing and automating box phone systems. In this video, you will receive a detailed guide on how to use GenFarmer Instagram Trust, a solution within the GenFarmer package that helps you manage hundreds of real phones with just one computer, performing all marketing tasks automatically on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, without needing to know how to code. What is GenFarmer? GenFarmer is software installed on your computer that controls and automates your entire system of real phones. It acts as the brain of your setup, helping you interact, manage, and operate multiple accounts in a centralized way, saving time and manpower. Why use box phone and GenFarmer? Nowadays, account farming using browsers is no longer effective. Platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram have developed advanced algorithms to detect fake behavior. GenFarmer combined with box phone, meaning real phones and real behavior, creates trusted accounts that operate sustainably and avoid mass checkpoints. GenFarmer Instagram Trust allows you to grow Instagram accounts based on real customer personas. For example, if your business is in the decoration niche, with target customers being men and women aged 25 to 40 who like buying decor online, follow decor-related pages, and frequently interact with decor content, then the AI will create accounts with behavior similar to real people interested in decor. They will follow relevant pages, search and scroll content on the right topics, but each account will have different habits to avoid repetition. This means randomized behavior toward a shared goal, and you will have hundreds of accounts acting like real people, matching the exact customer profile you need. This is the power of GenFarmer Instagram Trust. And in this video, I will guide you through using the main features of GenFarmer Instagram Trust, setting up AI automation scripts, and managing and monitoring the performance of your growing accounts. To get started, we will begin with the Account Manager section. Select the table containing your Instagram accounts, then click on Setup Automation and choose GenFarmer Instagram Trust. Next, click Config App. When the pop-up appears, you can set the number of device threads to run simultaneously. For example, I'll choose 14 devices. Then, enter your Google Gemini API key into the API key field. After that, input a general keyword related to your industry or niche. For example, I'll use decoration. Then comes the sample post. You can fill in your content, and the AI will generate variations to avoid duplication. If you already have images, provide their file paths from your computer. If not, functions like posting or changing avatars will use AI-generated images. Skip the folder path section and press Save. Now select the devices you want to run. Hover over the Run button here. You'll see options like Warm Up, Post, Update Profile, Update Avatar, and Create Sticker. I'll choose the first function, Warm Up. With this function, the AI will randomize the following actions: searching keywords related to your niche, viewing accounts and posts or reels on the same topic, interacting with likes, shares, and follows, and even analyzing posts to comment contextually using AI. This randomized flow helps accounts avoid platform restrictions and makes them behave more like real users. Next is the posting function. The AI will use your sample content and spin it to avoid duplication. If you don't provide an image, the AI will generate one based on your keyword and attach it to the post. This feature also supports Reels, automatically creating videos and adding music. Amazing, right? Other features like Update Profile, Update Avatar, and Create Sticker help your account appear as human as possible. These actions are all AI-powered, automatically generating bios, avatars, and content based on your keywords to build your accounts. This is the power of GenFarmer Instagram Trust, the tool that helps you build an Instagram account system fully automated.